Hello everyone, this is Jonathan and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad that learning toys aren't limited to baby toys that only teach numbers and colors, or toys that are a simple cause and effect. As a kid, I wanted to have erector sets. Seeing the commercial of the kid playing with the motorized Ferris wheel, that's what I wanted. Even though I didn't get any erector sets as a child, I did love my Legos. As a kid, I didn't see Legos as a learning toy, but one that would allow me to exercise my creativity with the limited size and number of smaller kits that I had. That all changed when I got my first Lego Technic set. It was a simple go-kart, but it had a single engine block with a working piston that you could see move as the wheels moved. In 2015, Meccano introduced Meccanoids. These were modular robotic kits that you could program. I remember buying a couple as a Christmas gift for my nephew. They were meant to be a father-son project for my brother and my nephew. In the end, neither of them were interested, and they brought them back to me to put together and do something with them. So here I am with one of the robots to put together for all of you. So we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Meccano Meccanoid code robot. This is the A.C.E. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So we have the head unit here, as you can see, it swivels. We have some of the pieces that go to it. Looks like some wheels, USB cable, nuts and bolts and washers, some more metal pieces. Looks like some kind of plastic spacers or washers. And then we have additional body pieces. And this here is a couple of tools that are common to just Meccano sets in general. So you have kind of a wrench here, and this is be more of an Allen wrench. And then you have a customer care card, multilingual, that on the back. So let's get into actually putting this together. So now that we're done, we can take a look at the finished product, which is this thing here. I won't say it's too bad. There were some mistakes during the build, but nothing catastrophic. So if you look here at the top, you have the settings for the robot. Right now it's set to off. This switch is for autonomous mode, and this will the Meccanoid will kind of operate on its own. If you have a second one nearby, they will interact together. This mode is for DJ mode. You can use the buttons on top to kind of make music with it. You can add distortion by swiveling the head around. I forget what this mode is called, but what you can do is you can talk to the Meccano itself, and it will. Well, you're not talking about asking like particularly deep questions, but you can ask it yes or no questions, and it will respond to you. These buttons here, this is for playback. This is record. So when you hit the record button, you can hit these directional buttons in any order, or however you want it to move, and then you hit playback, and it will play out those commands. The other way you can also kind of program this is what they call is I think it was like limited interactive something. Sorry, LIM programming, limited or learned intelligent programming. Sorry. So you can what you would do with that is you would hit the record. You can move the head around to play out any commands, the same as you would if you were using these buttons here. Hit playback, and then it will go ahead and fire up those sequences again. One of the things too, I believe also in autonomous mode, it can record your voice. So if you say something, it will record it, and then it will play back your something that you said. Particularly also when you do when you program it with these buttons here, also hitting record and then programming using these buttons, you can talk to it and it will also repeat back whatever you said when you hit the playback. So now we're going to install the batteries in this. Forgot to turn it off, but that's not a problem.
Yes.
So now that we've got the batteries in, we'll turn them on. We're going to put them in autonomous mode. And also, we've got a second one. that's enough of that. So we're just going to focus on one. But you saw that how they interact with each other. It'd be different if I had a little bit more space, and they could do a little bit more. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually connect this up to my computer using the USB, the micro USB interface up here. And we're going to start up the Meccanoid software. So here it's kind of these basic commands through a graphical user interface. The one thing is that the way that the robot's built is that it can't go backwards, so it can only go forward. So we can tell it to go forward, and it's a drag and drop. Turn right, turn left, and stop. And then we'll play it out. Well, it works if I turn it on. And we'll delete the program because the robot is disconnected. Okay. Let's see it now. Okay. All right, let's see. Yeah, maybe this will work. It's on. Make a brain not connected. Does it not see it? Ah, okay. Hmm. there we go. Now it's going to be seeing it. Okay, Meccanoid's blue. And green. Yeah, blue. English. Okay, turn it on. Okay, now it's updating. All right, and now it's connected. So I think I got some dead USB ports on my computer. So okay, so let's see. Link command. What is that? All right. So let's try some commands. And stop. Okay, so I think I get where what this is going. So this is not actually sending data to the actual robots. You're supposed to program it from here using these buttons. This is basically kind of a graphical user or graphical representation of one of the different robots, and then the various drag and drop commands. Okay. So is that it? Oh, there's the DJ function. Okay, figure this out. Alright, that was unexpected. Oh. That's the thing on this. Yes. So, forward. Right. left. So data. I think that might actually, what that is, it might actually be presets. Oh, okay. So you create your program here, and then you can send it. So, let's do that. Yes. Forward. Right. Left. My color. Red. And we put a delay. Stop. And we'll call it my program 01. Okay. So did execute the program? Kind of, sort of. Yes. So forward, forward, right, left. I color change to pink. Stop. Download it. Okay. Well, let's see how that goes.
That would be it for today's video. Unfortunately, Meccano had discontinued production of the Meccanoid code robots, but I will leave you a link in the description to Meccano's website where you can find their other engineering kits for kids. Thank you for watching.